All right, so last video I was talking about the NFR, and now we're going to talk about installing QuickBooks Desktop if you don't have Windows. All right, now what I do is I use VirtualBox. I'm on OS X or Mac OS, and I use VirtualBox. I actually bought for the latest one. I have two versions of Windows. Let me go over that here. I have a IE 10 and I have a Windows 10 version. Now both of these I purchased a real CD key for those, so I'm not using the like the IE only versions of Windows there for testing. So these are versions that have and what you can do here, I just bought the CD keys cheap. They're legitimate sites that sell CD keys for OEMs of Windows. I got this for like $12, and I did check to see if it was all legit, and it is like legit. They buy these in volume, and they're OEMs, so like you can only install them one time, which is perfect for this use. So that's what I've done here. So I first bought a real CD key. Then I'm going to go and install, just a simple install. They're going to give you the link once you get the NFR links, the download links. You're going to get the version you want. So you then log in, of course, to your virtual machine, like I've done here. And you can see I have QuickBooks already installed. This is 2018 version, manufacturing and wholesale.